Welcome to another video. On today's video, we are going to be reviewing the Hit the Spot Daily Facial Moisturizer. Now, when I got this moisturizer, I was so skeptical. I didn't want to get it. The reason I even got it was because my simple moisturizer was not in stock. So I had to look for another option. They had to convince me to get it. I checked for reviews online. I did not see even a single review from anybody online on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok about this moisturizer. I randomly saw someone's business post on Instagram and I was like, okay, let me get it and see. And I got it. Just on the application, I was wowed. This is the Hit the Spot Ceramide Daily Moisturizer. Now, the major ingredients in this moisturizer are ceramide, hyaluronic acid, and vitamin E. Now, ceramide helps with skin barrier. Now, ceramide is it is a fat, it is a lipid, it is naturally produced by your skin, okay? But as time goes on, because of sun exposure, the sun depletes its production, okay? So you're going to need products that contain ceramide to still help with your skin barrier. Now, this ceramide is produced on the surface of your skin. It is found on the uppermost surface of the skin. Hyaluronic acid again is naturally produced by your skin, but you still need products that contain hyaluronic acid in order to boost hydration. Now, another one again here is vitamin E. Vitamin E is an antioxidant that also helps with hydration. Now, with just these three major ingredients, you should already know what this moisturizer is about. It is all about hydration. Let's use this. For the fact that it comes in a pump bottle, I'm going to give it a 9/10 just because it comes in a pump bottle. I love my products coming in pump bottle in order to minimize the rate at which bacteria or dirt enters the product. Now let us use this. Now, God, this feels like water. It's just as though you are applying water on your skin. There is nothing like oil. There is nothing like grease, right? See, when I got this product, I checked the ingredient list, it was okay. But for the fact that I did not see anybody's review of it online, I didn't want to get it. But when I eventually got it and I applied it, just how it feels on the skin alone made me give it a 9/10. Like, let us dissect the other ingredients in this product. Dimeticon. Now, this dimeticon or dimeticon is a moisturizing agent that helps to smoothen out rough skin, dry skin. Another ingredient here again is aqua. Aqua is water, of course. Then glycerin, which is a humectant that helps with skin hydration. We also have another ingredient, which is capric or caprylic triglyceride. Now, this is an emollient that is derived from coconut oil and glycerin. Okay. Now, this product simply just helps to replenish the skin. It serves as an emollient that helps to prevent dehydration. Okay. It is going to help replenish your skin, protect your skin barrier. Now, that again shows you that this is a skin barrier friendly product. Another ingredient here is cetyl alcohol. Now, cetyl alcohol is a product that helps treat dry skin, scaly skin, itchy skin. Okay, it is just going to help with hydration. Now, we have ceramide here. We have three forms of ceramide here. We have the ceramide MP, we have ceramide AP, we have ceramide EOP. Now, as I explained earlier, ceramide is a fat, that is a lipid that is naturally produced by your skin on the uppermost layer of your skin. It is situated on the uppermost layer of your skin. Now, what ceramides do is that They help protect your skin barrier. I think there are even 5 forms of ceramides. We have the ceramide EOP, we have the NP, we have the AP, we have the NS. There is another one. Is it N some? I'm going to write the 5 forms of ceramides on the screen. Okay. Now this product contains 3 out of that 5 forms of ceramides, which are the ceramide AP, ceramide EOP, and ceramide NP. Now, these whole 5 forms of ceramide simply help with skin barrier repair. They help protect the uppermost layer of your skin. That is just it. We have tocopherol here. Now, tocopherol is vitamin E. It is one of the major ingredients here. It is vitamin E, and which helps with skin brightening, hydration. It is even an antioxidant that helps protect your skin from the environment hazards, pollutants. Okay, so this product is, I love it. I love it. It comes in a 250 ml, and I got this product for just 5,100 naira. You can imagine, 5,100 naira. And I've been using this for almost 2 months now. Almost 2 months now, and I still have a whole lot remaining. I still have a whole lot remaining. It is fragrance free. It is even boldly written on it. Okay, it is boldly written here, fragrance free. Locks in moisture for hydrated skin. Contains 3 ceramides. I explained this earlier. It is enriched by hyaluronic acid, which boosts hydration. So just know that this product is going to be that perfect product for you if you have an oily acne prone skin. I have an oily acne prone skin, girls. I have an oily acne prone skin, and this is what I've been using since the first week of December. Yes. And I can beat my chest and say that this is that perfect face moisturizer for oily acne prone skin. Now, if you have a dry skin type, it is going to be good for you. It is going to be good for you, but you might not really get enough hydration. I'm going to explain. It is super, when I say super, times 3 super lightweight. I have an oily skin, and you can already notice that this thing has sunk into my skin already. Okay, now imagine someone who has a dry skin. You won't even notice that the person applied a moisturizer. And the fact that we are even in the harmattan, the winter, it might not just be enough for you, but it might still be good for you, yes, because of the dimethicone it contains, because dimethicone actually is a silicone oil, okay, that helps to lock in moisture, that also helps with wound healing, and even the capric triglyceride, which is an emollient in this. So your skin might just like it if you have a dry skin, but you see a super dry skin, an extremely dry skin, I don't think this moisturizer is going to do it for you. You are on a budget, you have an oily acne prone skin, and you want that face moisturizer that is going to last you for more than 2 months, if not up to 3 months, please go and get this moisturizer. You're going to thank me. I'm serious. Lightweight, non-greasy. I'm obviously going to repurchase this because you see me, I love anything that is going to be very, very affordable and still do its work. I love such products, so I'm obviously going to be purchasing this. At first, when I saw the packaging, I thought it was a body lotion. Oh. I thought it was a body lotion before I went through what they wrote here, and I saw massage onto the face to relieve and revitalize skin. And I was like, okay, it is a face moisturizer. So get your hands on this and you will come and thank me later. Right? So see you in my next video. Bye.